topic of sustainability is omnipresent, and we continue to give a lot of thought of how we can make our products and services more sustainable. So we ask ourselves how we can improve our sustainability and save materials without impacting on the protective performance of our products. For safety eyewear, in most cases, the lens is the part of the product that wears out much faster than the rest. Until now, common practice has been to discard and replace the entire spec or goggle, even though the frame could still be used. Taking this information on board, we are now expanding the range of replacement lenses, and we can now offer the possibility to simply replace the lens and use the frame for longer. This replacement lens service will not only help saving materials and resources, but it will also help to reduce our eyewear production emissions. Absolutely. Of course, the effect may seem quite small when looking at an individual pair of eyewear. Especially with safety spectacles, the proportion of the side arms to the entire eyewear is often rather small. With safety goggles, of course, it makes more of a difference, since more material is needed for the frame and the headband. But regardless of whether it is a spectacle or a goggle, the required material for the frame can be saved by using replacement lenses, and in the end, any sized contribution counts. When extrapolated with the large scale of safety eyewear used globally, the effect may even be more noticeable. In addition to the material savings from the frame, we will also save on the packaging material with the replacement lenses compared to the entire eyewear unit, which means it has a positive effect in two areas. So yes, it definitely has an effect. For the majority of our eyewear models, replacing the lens is actually quite simple because we have already taken the process of replacing the lens into account during the product development process. We also include instructions for disassembling and assembling the replacement lens. Of course, we try not to overcomplicate the process, and therefore the steps and amount of paper used for the instructions is kept to a minimum. With the ever-increasing use of digital media, we also offer small, step-by-step how-to videos that people can follow. If people still encounter problems, we have a team of experts available on the phone that will be happy to help. Our main focus has been on replacement lenses because the lens is the most important part of the eyewear, and our lens coating technology is also our core competence. That said, we will be offering spare parts for our safety goggles with the expansion of our range of replacement headbands as well. Depending on how the range of spare parts is received by our customers, further expansion is of course quite conceivable and planned.